Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a girl's bedroom clean with me. Let's get started. I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy, and this bedroom is my oldest daughter's. I'm starting off with changing her sheets and washing them along with her comforter. If you're wondering where I got them, they're both from TJ Maxx. I got these new sheets at Marshall's for $16.99 and I thought it matched perfectly with her comforter. It's like simple yet classy at the same time. I love it. I don't know about you guys, but I struggle putting the fitted sheet on sometimes. Maybe it's just me. But yeah, I struggle and it takes me a couple times before I actually get it on.
Do what you gotta do, baby, for love. Go all for love. We're going for love. For beating hearts off the charts. Love. Go all for love. We're going for love.
So while I'm waiting for the comforter to wash and dry, I go ahead and wipe her dresser, TV, and the Xbox. Down with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray and Lilac. As you guys know, I love using this stuff, so I highly recommend it. It smells so good. And if you're wondering why my 7-year-old daughter has an Xbox One in her room, yeah, that's probably a bad idea. But it's because my old VCR finally broke after having it for 20 plus years. Yeah, it used to be mine when I was a kid, and it broke my heart the moment I found out it's not working anymore. But until we find a replacement one, I let her use the Xbox One for getting on Netflix. Just Netflix though. My husband is currently deployed, so it wasn't like it's being used anyway.
No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever seem to be over. I saw.
Like I said earlier, the VCR that my daughter was using to watch movies broke. And right now, I don't see a reason to have these old video cassettes out. Yeah, these were all mine growing up. And it totally kills me to have to do this. But at the same time, I really want to preserve them if they weren't being used. It's just that nostalgia feeling. If you're a 90s baby like me, you know having these video cassettes were everything.
But I would never would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever seem to be over. I saw her. So I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track.
I decided to move the whole bookshelf. I was not feeling its current position, so I put it closer to her bed. I think it works out better that way, so she can easily just pick up a book right before bed.
Got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. Never been so strong with anyone.
I know you guys are probably noticing all the missing dresser knobs, and yeah, it drives me nuts too. Her furniture set has endured 4 cross-country moves in 8 years due to my husband's military orders. And let's just say that the military hires the crappiest movers. Yeah, just, oh my god. I'm just happy that it's just the knobs that are missing instead of it being broken or missing shelves or missing hardware. Yeah, like, don't even get me started. It's that bad. I did order some pretty replacement crystal dresser knobs from Amazon, and it fits the upcoming theme for her, like more big girl kind of theme going on. I'm just waiting for it to get here. It will take about a couple days.
You know you mean the world to me, oh, feels like a fairy tale. Like a fairy tale. If I will share my life with anyone,
Now to folding my laundry. I always wash both of my girls' clothes in one big pile and then separate them. Jalen loves doing her own clothes, so technically I only have to do Alexandra's and Daniel's, and she is such a wonderful helper. I'm so happy that her younger siblings have such a great, independent, and responsible sister like her to look up to.
Wanna leave me, you better make it quick. Believe me if it's true, I will pack your bags for you. But if you ever change your mind, you know I won't be kind a second time around. Then you're out of my life. lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue.
And it's all clean. Pretty soon I'll be uploading a video of remodeling her bedroom to a more big girl theme. So if you're interested in that, definitely look for that. It will take about a couple days just because, like I said, I'm waiting for those dresser knobs.
Ain't nobody like you.
If you're new here, my name is Diane, and if you liked what you saw, subscribe and hit that notification button for more upcoming content. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys real soon. Bye.